technical error. Technical error, technical error. Oh my god, what have happened? Guys, can join over here. Can join over here. What happened to my technical things? Lots of technical things are happening. This is because of this one. I'm getting headache, guys. Big headache. Big headache. This technical things keeps pushing it. I don't know what the YouTube is happening. Welcome over here, guys. Welcome over here. These things are happening, guys, to me only. So next time, you know that whenever I get off, until and unless I don't say bye, right? You try to reconnect with another one, right, guys? On another live stream, right? Over there, right, guys? Welcome over here. Join the new link, guys. Join the new link, right? At a technical error, all right? Technical errors. We keep getting a technical errors, all right, guys. So let's wait. Let's wait. Have patience, all right? Patience, okay? So, like yesterday, if it never comes back in the zone, I'm going to bash Bitcoin. Okay, guys. All right. Hey, guys. I was having technical error. It tries to disconnect me directly. I don't know why. YouTube don't wants me to live stream again and again. Hi. Robel, hi. Hi, guys. Hi. Hey, hi. All right. So let's see. Okay. So main motive is for today, you need to check whether your big position will come from here only. Okay, guys. This is for the scalping. All right. So big position is going to come once you see whether this is breaking out on upper side or breaking down on upper downside. So this is the level. All right. Where is it? Let me. Okay. Over here. This is the level whereby you will be checking whether the price is moving on upper side or downside. Okay, guys, focus on this level. All right. So if it happens to break out on upper side, okay, that can give you all the big long moves. All right. If it happens to get rejection from here and passes below this one, and it is going to be downside moves. All right. So just right now, Bitcoin is on the retest phase. All right, guys, just observe that one for now. Okay. So meanwhile, if you are interested for scalping, you might like to get from here as well. All right, a little bit more drop. Okay, then one long move again, trying to confuse you all over here. Okay. One, two, broke out on upper side, liquidity taken out. All right, so that is a long move for you all. Okay, scalping, long move. Where is it? Hey. Scalping, long move. Broke out on upper side. Okay. Broke out on a long side. La 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 la. Let me see. Right now, your main duty is to check whether we are closing below this one or not. All right. If we close, then the shots get more more confident. All right. If it doesn't, then the longs will be more confident for us. Okay. La 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 la. Let's not focus on 1 minute. Candles are forming so bad. Let's wait. Okay, guys, let's wait. Bro, like I said, I closed BTC at 78,000 yesterday. That's nice. Now I'll be waiting for long to 86 to 87 on 22nd May. Nice. Nice. That's nice for the swing traders. Okay. I also have long swing trading, okay, but it's not active right now. I have no position over there. Let's see, okay, from here what it does. So you need to, when the New York sessions opens, most probably price will be in this levels. All right. You see whether it is going on upper side, downside, whichever. we have an we are in the retest phase right now. Right. Let's see. Wait, guys, wait. Wait for the structure to be formed. All right. Right now, it is breaking down below this one. Broke out, retest. Okay. Again, retesting once more. All right. Hi, Adi-san. Hello, hello, brother. Hello, hello, hello. See where it closes. 1 minute scalping, you are getting it on upper side. La 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 la. It's doing like same structure like yesterday. Yesterday also had same structures, but yesterday it keep continuing from this level towards the downside. Okay? Without getting pullbacks. Okay, yesterday it did similar way. Keep continuing downside without getting to pull back towards this zone. So it's today whether it is going to was the pullback or not. La 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 la. Metal. One, two. Metal. More move left, I guess, on the downside. Okay, let's see. One more move, I think it is going to come down. One, two, three. And the dance floor again. Metal. मत हिल गया. Over here, what happened, guys? If you are checking this level for the scalping, this just broke down from this level and giving a bearish move. Okay, trying to make a double top, a double bottom at this level. All right, and it went for the retest on upper side. Okay. If it clears that one, it will go up continuously on upper side. If it gets rejection from here, one more drop is left on the downside, most probably from this level. Maybe this one, right, guys? One more drop. Let's wait, and guys, let's wait for this move. Where is it? Yeah, around the zone. From here, it should be a short till this level for the scalpers. One 0.45 percentage. Let's see, guys. Anyways, what the market does. Market. Wait, guys, those who are waiting for the confirm moves, right? We will wait for that move on this level, what the market does. Okay. This level. Okay. So later on, going up, will it give upper side or downside? We also don't know, right? Okay. So let's see with the weather for 1 week, we are going for the downside, or 1 week we are going an upper side. All right. This is the level. Bitcoin. Let's wait, okay? Let's wait and see. Hope I catch it around 77,000 for the long. Okay, let's see, Robel. All right, let's see what it does. All right. Gold. Let's check on gold as well, guys. It's been long that we are not focusing on the gold. Gold. Gold, 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 gold. Savoy. What's happening with the gold, guys? Gold is totally a sideways move on 15 minutes time frame. Still inside this one. Trying to squeeze in the middle right now, gold. Gold is not able to give any moves right now. Price is getting squeezed in the gold. Price getting squeezed in the gold right now. So this can be one opportunity for the long, all right, if it happens to give it towards the downside. It couldn't give any moves right now. Price getting squeezed, forming a triangle in the gold right now. Those who are interested for the gold, right? Price getting squeezed inside this box. One minute scalping, what's happening? 1 minute scalping. Oh, trying to retest once more. Let's go. This stop loss will be gone. Gold is trying to move up. BT is trying to move up now. Mm, 0.09 percentage stop loss. You got it. Broke down, retest it. One more retest left. Gold can't move. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Okay. BT needs to come a little bit downside. Okay. Maybe it will play around in this zone and try to come. Okay. BT have to come a little bit downside moves, at least till this trend. All right. The one last move is left on a BT on a downside. Okay. Before it goes up. And from here, you might like to get one long scalping on upper side, going back to that levels. All right. This can be a little bit risky, but If you are able to catch this one, you might like to get a 0.89 percentage move on upper side. Okay, that is possible. Let's see what it does. BT playing around a bit. Yes, darling, what do you want? What do you want? That? Oh no, you can't. Hmm? Lui. Hmm? Songkang. Songkang. Hey, Nimkan. Where are you from? I'm from Bhutan, brother. I'm from Bhutan. I'm from Bhutan. Where are you from, bro? Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys. So most probably for the bigger moves, you need to wait for this move over here. Okay, go back to this level. You see whether it gets a rejection or try to move up. All right. On the small time frame, it doesn't look good. All right. So most probably, okay. So you are looking at this range right now. Bitcoin have already broken out on the upper side. Okay. So we need a retest in this level. All right. So maybe during the New York session, you might like to see that retest happening. All right, quick move on upper side. Okay, or that can be a totally dump as well. But uh, before before dumping it, okay, we need to get back to that level, either from this level or from a little bit downside. Okay, we get it back to that level and try to check. Okay, whether it gets a rejection on a downside and closes below the lowest it have. All right, meaning mise kachi mi dari na mapali gusto na din sa hmm? Just like that. Yes, right now we are focusing small scalping over here. Okay, scalping. Let's see, quick removal of SL or going down, very small risks. Okay, 0.09. It will remove the SL and might come down. I'm giving you the hopes. One more move on upper side before it comes down. So it tries to remove the SL and don't get picked out with the longs from here, guys. You might get picked out. Okay, going to remove my SL from the top. Small scalping. Okay. One more move. 0.06, 0.459 percentage. I'm from India. Which part of India, brother? Which part of India are you from? Which part of India do you belong from? Stop explaining now. Small scalping, okay, guys, risky one, but manage your risks, okay. Nothing financial advice, guys. Make your own research before you move in, all right, so that you guys are not bashed off, all right. Don't get bashed off. Don't blame me, all right. Nothing financial advice, right? Only for the education purpose, only, okay, guys. Only for the education purpose. I'm not taking trades today because like I'm tired. My brain is not working. This brain is not working. Your dragon's brain is not working today. He's tired. There's a waiting, waiting, waiting. If I see a good moves, make your research, all right, and try to execute accordingly, all right, so that you guys are not bashed off, right? Mm. Now your stop loss should be smaller. Scalping, you should be first thing is like you control your rigs up, guys. What's so happen if it even if it comes back for your break even, try to move your SL to the entry, okay? And if it gets very quick, if it blows, it will be very quick. All right. Just try to be careful. The scalping, guys. Those who are taking scalping. Making sideways move now in this level. This level is making sideways now. 1 minute time frame. La 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 la. Do this. Thanks, Wa. Thanks, Wa. Thanks. Hi, brother. It is my sixth, more than 6 years right now. A little bit tired today. No more energy. Hi, Rachel. Hello, hello, Rachel. Hi, hi, hi. Come back, come back. Rachel, hi, hi. So for a long-term trades, you wait for the this levels later on to check it. Okay, we need to go back to this level once more. All right, this level. Okay. Getting back. We'll try to remove this too, I guess. So this trade is not valid now. We need to close right now. It will try to remove this too, okay, before it drops down. Then it will drop down. There's two levels of sellers, okay. It tries to remove it. Okay. Closes. Oh no, not yet. Tries to remove this two, one, two, three levels of sellers. What was that? So we need to close this trade, guys. Close till this level and come back. Need to close this one. Go swap it. Need to go check out the people who have sellers and this levels. Firstly, market takes out this one and tries to try to move down. Inverted head and shoulder pattern over here on this level. Okay, let's see if it acts, if it does or not. Coming inverted, right? Out this one. I feel Bitcoin going to drop down. It may be possible, but before that one, we need to check before Bitcoin drops down. Maybe if the New York session continues on the downside, okay, that is very possibilities, but most probably we need to reach back to this level once more to decide to which side the Bitcoin should be moving. Yesterday, what it did was, what it did was on this level, we were having a same thing, same trend, same something like this on a smaller time frame. Okay, rather than giving any retest on upper side, it continuously dropped down right from this level. Okay, so we are checking on right now on this level. Okay, so right now market, even if it closes below this level, all right, it needs to go back to this average point, then only it needs to come down or go up. Okay, so this set is end point over here. A longs one got a breakout over here and got a retested on the lower side, so that is possible on the downside as well as on the upper side. So we need to wait until the New York sessions opens and try to give us whether the move is from the upper side. Okay, if it breaks out on upper side from this level, that's going to be long for you all, but it happens to get a rejection from here and come down to this level, that is going to be shorts, all right, all the way towards the downside moves. Simple guys, just wait for that one. All right. So on the scalpings, those who are scalping, okay, so over here this long got breached. All right, now it's going for the longs. All right, this is the scalping session. Try to meet the sideways. Breaking out. La, 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 la. This level should be coming down. If this retest fails, then it will go for the bullish, guys. Then it will go for the bullish. Try to test this one. 79,594. All right, 74,900. That's right, guys. Right now, what the market did, it broke out on upper side. If you see this level, all right. So it broke out on upper side and came down, retested, and retest got passed on upper side. Okay. If you check on the lower side, okay, you have been checking on the lower side, it have broken down from the recent spot. You have it, recent support was broken out. Okay, you try to play a little bit on the sideways in this level. All right, and this is doing the, it broke out again from this level. This is doing the retest from the upper side. Okay, let's see which side from the sideways, which side it will act. All right, that can be shorts as well. Okay, if it is short, it needs to get back from here only. All right, if this SL goes, then it will become a long side. All right, it will go till $79,593. All right, sell is gone. Okay, small 0.042 percentage. Only for the scalpers. Make your own research before you move in, guys. All right, nothing financial advice. All right, only for the education purpose only. So I'm not trying to give you all the signals over here. Just trying to make you understand. All right. If it gets breached, then it will be going to this levels. All right. From here, this level, we see whether we are gaining down or going up. Two, small scalping, guys. This is smallest scalping possible. Scalping is so dangerous, right, guys? Yes, Rachel, I feel Bitcoin going to drop. Let's see what it does, right? From here, it should be coming down. All right. If it happens to go up, then it will be going to go for $79,596. All right. It was sideways, try to break down, break out, try to fake out. All right. From here. Excuse me. La, 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 la. Hey. Okay, going to go up, 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 up. 0.53. Let's see, guys. Wait for this one. And the 4 hours. 4 hours. 4 hours is like this. Right now, we have already yesterday, right? We have last time we have broken down on downside, retest done. Okay, so the final retest was done and pass through retest. People started selling from here. Okay, so in this level we are right now. Okay, if you check the trend wise, you are in the retest phase right now. Okay, if you have not been there from whatever I have explained from beginning, all right, so we are retesting on this trend once more. So let's see if this retest gets passed, you will get a big drop down towards the downside. Okay, guys. If this retest okay, pass, like maybe it will directly go from here as well on upper side. Okay, but most probably maybe if it happens to close below this one, okay, and goes over here and breaks down below, then you are going to open a short. All right, but if it happens to go up and break up, right, rather than getting down from here, if the structure is forming something like this, it will be easy to understand. All right, if it happens to go up and break out on upper side from here, then that is going to be a bullish. Okay, so one more move left. Okay, maybe this can be directly a move. All right, so may not go all the way towards downside as well. All right, maybe something like this. Okay, directly going up. If it comes down and breaks below this one, then you might like to go for the shots. But if it happens to get rejection from here, and if it happens to go for the upper level, all right, so that will be a big bull move for you all, changing the trend, getting inside this trend once more. Okay, so that's what we can expect right now. Okay, so market needs to go back to this average once more. Okay, right now it have not closed below the recent low, right, that we have right now. Okay, if you happen checking over here, all right, it needs to close below this one. All right, if it was closing below this one, all right, if it was closing below this one, the shots get so confident. All right, so we people, after breaking down below this one, we wait for this one. Okay, one scalping is out, I think 0.04. So coming down below will be a bearish move. We wait for the price to come down from here, right, after the retest. Okay, boom, down. But in fact, if it happens to get up from here, okay, so one more move will be given maybe, right? If it happens to go up, then it will be an upper side move. Okay, so most probably one scalping on the downside is removed, guys. Shots removed, SL removed for 0.04 percentage. So exactly we are in the average, okay, right now. So it, without going towards the downside, it tries to fall back, fall up right now in this 1 hour time frame. See whether it is breaking above this levels or not. If it gets above this level, okay, that will be a big bull move for you all right, on the upper side. Okay, so that's how I was planning one long position from here with this green candles. All right, but it later on it happens to drop down again. We check the recent one. Either that can be a big downside move for 1 week, or 1 week going up on upper side, whichever is possible. Everything is possible over here. All right, Bobbies, I'm new in your channel. I'm from India. All right, brother, welcome, welcome, brother, welcome. That can be a big down move or big up move for a week, I guess. Okay, so most probably I'm looking for the long side if you have been watching me from the starting. Okay, but it needs to confirm me. All right, it needs to confirm me. Let's see what it does. All right, let's get back to the 15 minutes time frame right now. It got directly up from here rather than getting down. It couldn't miss, I couldn't pass below right now. If it was passing below this level, then it will be confirmation for the shots already. If it was passing. This average point hit it. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. We need to wait. For temporary, it should be moving on the downside only. till this level maybe. Not temporary, before the New York sessions opens. New York sessions opens our, let's see. And this is bullshit. Not yet, right? About to open. So double pattern, W pattern, got a bulls entered over here, trying to push. If it happens to get rejection from here, drop it all the way down. Simple, right? If it happens to get rejection once more. Okay. So W pattern is something like this. If it bias get in and push the market towards the upper side. Okay. That is exactly following the W pattern. But if the market wants to take the liquidation, it will just try to drop you all the way towards the downside. All right, rather than going up, directly drops down. All right, let's see what happens over here. So anyways, one side it will be squeezed, one side will be given the trade, I guess, most probably. Okay, guys, one side it is going to squeeze it. Long or short is going to get squeezed in a huge way today. Just be careful. Okay. Either long, either short. Okay, they're going to be squeezed. So let's see on breakout strategy. Okay, if you get a good pump, quick profits, scalping on upper side. One side is upper move, one side is downside move. Try to buy a little bit upper side, okay, guys, so that you guys don't get squeezed, right? The liquidity candles. So breakout on a breakout strategy, what it did, it broke out, tried to create a one recent high. Okay, that can be this levels. All right, recent resistance it was created. Okay, this one. All right. So if it happens to break out from this level, you might like to face this one upper side, and this is the confirmation. Once it get past and above this level, this is the confirmation all to go on upper side. It breaks above. Okay. So I think this is long side confirmations. Right. Hi. Amritesh Kumar. Hi, brother. Welcome. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. All right. We're doing nothing much, nothing financial advice. Make your own research before you move in. All right. So a little bit confusions over here. Okay. It's creating in the previous one from here. Okay. Exactly. We were having similar like this. All right. Okay. Similar pattern like this on this level. All right. So it cleared it off all the way towards the upper side. From here, let's see. We are right at which moment right now? Towards this one, right? This one, this one. If it clears off, then you might like to get a big move on upper side. If it doesn't, then you might like to get a big downfall. So just focus on this level right now. There's this one. I'd like to see a good move on upper side. Target for the longs will be the first target for the longs will be this one. For the holders, scalpers can get out from here. Long side. This is the target. Okay. For the final target, those who are holding very high, that can be those who are holding very high. The target for the longs can be 85,300, 84 to 85,300 for the long holders, those who are holding for a week. Okay, so most probably, I think the market is trying to push up. All right, let's see if it clears this one or not. If it gets faked out, that will be sorry. Okay, if it wants to give you all the big long move, that is going to be superb. Okay, New York session didn't start right, so this will be a target. All right. Let's see what it does. All right, little bit early. Okay, for the entrance, this entrance is a little bit early, just past above the average point that we have right now. Market couldn't continue to close below the previous low. All right, so you are having a W pattern. Either this will give you the liquidation, or this will give you all the big bull move. All right, W pattern got a wink over here. Okay, if it passes above, you're going to get a good move. All right, my W pattern is something like this. Right over here. All right, if you're following the patterns, you got a bias from here. If it is able to pass this one, you are going to get a good move. If market is planning a liquidations, after trapping the people who have brought it over here, it will try to dump down from here. All right, from not from there, it is from there, right? So you might like to get a big move on a downside liquidity. All right, that's called liquidity move towards the all the way towards that side. Okay, just be careful now, guys, whichever side it is. So one side it will be risky only. Okay, guys, one side it will be risky. If you're planning it, try to manage your own risks. All right, nothing financial advice. Okay, so nothing financial advice, lah, guys. All right. Confirmation can be given if you want to wait for the confirmations. If it gives you the confirmations, all right, sometimes it doesn't give, it will directly pump up, but if it gives you the confirmation, that it will be a super one. All right, guys, if get the confirmation, something like this, get back, try to push up again. This is breakout strategy totally. Okay, so this strategy is breakout strategy, fake out and freak out break strategy. Glad to see you. Hey, I'm Ritesh Kumar. Hi, hi. Okay. Let's see, guys. Anyways, okay. Nothing much to worry. But once it get passed through above this level, this is going to be a good bullish quick move can be expected above this level, upper side, right? Downside move. that is going to be, if it gets faked out, you are going to get a big drop, guys. If this point gets faked out, all right, then you are going to get a good drop on a downside. That will be a liquidity drop, all right, taking you all the way towards downside. Okay, so just be careful. Always risks and rewards, risks and rewards. All right. Let's see what it does. Right now the moves are okay, okay type. So this level is a trap or can give you all the big breakouts. All right. If you want to wait for the confirmations, wait for the price to come down a little bit downside and try to move up. Right. Buy when you get this retest, right? Confirmations. Right now already broken breakout was given, but that can fake you out, try to coming down. So this liquidity, maybe this retest sometimes can be very low as well. All right, trying to come down, try to go below this one. All right. So for confirmation, it is always better for you to wait for this move. All right. Sometimes it will close below this one and try to fake, give a hope for the shots. Right. Hope for the shots. So if you are waiting for the confirmations, wait for this level. Or once it gets on upper side, you'll get a small scalping moves. All right, from there you can enter, but it will be a little bit upper side. Okay, but in fact you will get it correct over there. All right. If it gives you all the breakout, then you are going to get a good move on upper side. Breakout is given the retest we requires. Breakout is given the retest you requires. All right. Here, a big pump or a dump. Yeah, it doesn't. Most probably, I will be expecting this kind of move in this level. All right. Firstly, break out, try to fake out. Okay. Come down and try to push up again. Anyways, let's see. Okay. We'll be watching together what it does. So, if you want to stay away from the FOMO, all right, what I do is sometimes I just try to go with a small fund. All right. Over here, when it gets confirmed, then only I try to go for my normal fund. All right. Over here, once we got it faked out already. All right. I try to go with the small fund from here, and when it gets confirmed, if it breaks out on upper side, okay. If it doesn't break, then nothing much to say over there, guys. Let's wait, guys. Patience, 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 patience in this level. We don't want sideways in this level, though. Mhm. 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 1, 2, 3. It looks bullish for me, guys. I don't know why. Maybe I'm looking aggressive towards the bullish. It looks bullish for me tonight. Bullish for me. All right. It looks bullish for me. Bullish, 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 bullish. Try to clear this one. Try to clear this one. Once it can come down, guys. Once it can come down. If you're waiting for confident, try to go from the top. Let me try to analyze this. Analysis. Mhm. 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 If it gets faked out, then you are going to get squeezed, guys. Okay, if it gets faked out. La 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 la. Mhm. Downside move. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. One, 2, 3, 4. Some more moves left. Entry 79,563. 79,563. Target 84,000. Stop loss 77,000. What's your opinion? Superb. Superb, brother. Superb. That is superb. But if you get faked out, then it will come for your stop loss. You are trying a little bit early, but without the breakouts on the downside. But that is like if you get on a positive side, then it will be like you're continuing the profits. But if you get come back, right, you won't get what to say now, you won't run into big losses, right? If you plan over here, you try to go for the big losses. Okay, so most probably, maybe that is good one. If you are running into FOMO, maybe you can go with small fund from here and later on you can add the fund, right, guys? So let's try to be smarter in this way, guys. Okay. So like Amrit have mentioned, but that's going to be risky as well as a good profit when it if it happens to give you all the breakout on upper side. Okay. What we can do is, so this is the level. Okay, just wait. Just wait. La, 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 la. Needs to give you all the drop first. Okay. And one. I'm thinking, guys, thinking for you all. All right, make your own research, huh, guys. Again, I'm thinking. So is to drop it down to this level once more. It took a long entry at 9,300, 328. What are chances that it will go up? Can you give us information about news? I don't know about how to see that. Shop Kumar, nothing financial advice, but most probably, like yesterday I said, 60%, 60% confirmations on the upper side and 40% for the downside for me today. All right, 60% confirmation on the upper side and 40% for the downside move. I'm expecting that one. Nothing financial advice. Okay, guys. So make your own research before you move in. All right. So that you guys are not bashed off. All right. Okay. If you are holding long, if your fund management is good, then I think it should be okay. If your fund management is good. So New York session openings, right? It might try to give you all a big pullback before it moves up, right? We are waiting for that one. One pullback and try to one pullback can be expected before it moves up. So to avoid the FOMO, right? Well, as soon as it breaks out, might like to go with a small font, and later on when it gets confirmed, okay, might like to go with a big font, right? Normal font. All right, when it gets confirmed. One, two, three. One, two, three. This can give me all the pullbacks. Breakout, pullback, goes up. Something like this. Can expect something like this, guys. Okay. But later on, when it comes down below, if it happens to close below this level, then that will be bearish. For now, it is bullish. All right, in the sideways, towards the bullish side. Okay. Level, level, that level, third level, second level. Oh, yeah. Okay, okay. うん。 Yes, bro. Yes. म अब अहिले जानेन नि म अब दिउँसो पो जानुपर्छ काम छ। Sorry, brother. Sorry. Okay. New York sessions. I'm waiting for New York session to give us a pullback. So one advantage is, like Amrit have said, okay, but that's going to be very risky. When it comes for the pullback, we keep buying it, all right. But in case if it happens to close below this one, all right, that will be risky, okay. Again, so can take one long, all right, thinking that, imagining that we'll be breaking out, all right. If it breaks out, you're going to get a huge profit on upper side, okay. But in case if it fails, then you're getting to stop loss, all right. That's a little bit risky, okay, guys. Yeah, it's okay, guys. All right, we're waiting for this one. All right, let's see. It needs to play around a bit when New York sessions opens. So what we can do, otherwise, what you can do is for expecting the price to pull, get an advantage side. Okay, so we keep buying some small amount over here. If it keeps running it, all right, and when it gets back and confirms it on the upper side, then that can be one. Can go with normal font. All right. Usually I go with something like this in my VIP group. All right. But sometimes it becomes risky if it happens to get a push down. All right. Over there also for my VIP, what I said is I try to give them a long side from here. All right. When it gets come back and confirms it, then only they can go with the normal font. But for the scalpers, it will be huge drop for them. I say them to close it immediately. All right. Best thing is to press the confirmations. All right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. Let's try to find some edge on this level where you can go for the longs, right? This can be 1. Okay, breaking out on upper side. This can be level, one level. Try to go with small font. Later on can add it, right? So I'm going to do the same. If bash off means bash off, right? 0.5 percentage, all right? Gets back to this level. Excuse me. For scalping, this much should be okay. New obsession is going to dump you all again. Pump or dump. I think breakout takes a lot of time for bullish. Let's see. Let's see. A shock. Let's see. If it gives, then well and good. If it doesn't give, I shall go on a slip. Right. Mm. From the recent, it should be a big bullish or big bearish tonight. Okay. Maximum level. So like for the confidence level, right, when it gets back and when if it gives the retest over here, that will be a good one to long it, all right. But sometimes it gives a very small retest, just be careful. Let's wait and see. Okay, guys, because we are not taking a trend breakout right now. Okay, if it's trend breakout, it's easier for us to identify it, all right. But it is in a horizontal sideways move, all right. It always try to bash you. Okay, try to take out the SL for the longs as well as shorts. Really little bit sideways, it is moving up right now. Okay, breaking out, breaking out. Just on 5 minutes time frame, guys. Okay, 5 minutes time frame. Manage your own risks, nothing financial advice. All right, guys. Okay, try to manage your own risks. One, two, three, four. Okay, one more. La, 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 la. New York sessions, let's wait. New York sessions move back. That can, is it starting? Not yet, right? Okay, come back. Come back again. One, one, two, three, four time. Maximum it can drop till this level. All right. Minimum till this level. Okay. That was that one. That is that one. That one. Plan accordingly, guys. A lot of liquidity at 80,428 Dragon 400 78 80,248. Yeah, I then 80,428. Breakout or fake out. Breakout or fake out. Little bit sideways it is. That is holding me back. Here, if it was moving up directly. If it happens to go down and falls back, then it will take liquidity from the downside. I did. So we have exactly over here, all right, whether to go for the liquidity or this is the level whereby the lots of bulls get in. If it passed through this one, all right, so let me clear this off, right? Over here, for the liquidity on the downside, upper side, okay, downside we have from the previous level only, all right? In the current level, we don't have any liquidity on downside. So over here, if it market happens to get rejection from here and breaks below this level, all right, then might play again once more over here. It is going to swap you all the way towards downside. That is a W pattern, all right. W pattern, right? Let me show you the big one. W pattern right now it is forming like this, and it formed the bullish level also. Okay, so if it is breaking out, as well and good. But if it getting rejecting and closing below this level and again getting a rejection from the top, all right, and getting below this level will give you all the big liquidations on the patterns. Okay, let me delete this one. Right. So this is the W pattern, right? Right now we are in this level, okay, coming down, all right. But in fact, if this level is not getting rejection from the top, if it happens to pass above, that is going to give you all a big bullish move on the upper side, right? So this is a liquidity and a downside, which we have from the previous level only. We don't have in the current level right now, okay? So current level, we don't have any liquidity, okay? Previous level only we have. The market have two options only. Either go up, we're expecting this bullish, or try to take the liquidity of the previous one, those who are holding from the long, all right, from these levels, right? Okay, downside move. So market can do only two things: either take the liquidations or try to respect the W pattern. For the liquidity and downside, we don't have any current levels right now. So it is clearer on the upper side, only lots of liquidations are left on upper side only. Okay, so let's see. The market will try to take the liquidations of the previous level or try to respect the W pattern on upper side. Okay, so right now, previous level, so what I'm thinking is we current level, we don't have any liquidity and downside. So I'm just thinking for the long only right now. Okay, on the going on the upper side. This is what I'm thinking right now. Let's see what it does. All right, we have a W pattern over here. Okay, in this level, we got a W pattern. All right, we don't have any liquidity left on the downside, which it have got up over here. All right, and over here W pattern, and this is the first people who got in bullish side from here. All right, and if it breaks out, it should be giving you all the big move on upper side, or get back and play around and try to take out the liquidity of previous levels that we have from the previous one, right? So the zone. Let's see what it does, right? Market current level, we don't have any liquidity on downside, only on the upper side. The market should be moving. All right. Oh, it's moving upper side right now. Okay. So let's see till where it can give you the pullback. Let's see, guys. Anyways, nothing much financial advice on. This is only for the education purpose. It is opening the New York sessions. Right. Can't see the New York sessions also. All the green, green, green. Okay, nice. Without getting pulled back, it is rising. Without getting any pullbacks, it's rising without any pullbacks right now. Okay, come back. Come back for the formations. Come back, come back. This is one level whereby you should come back 79,537. Bullish move. We shall see. Yeah, we need to wait. I'm gonna say that from now. Breakout or fake out. Yes, that is the only possibilities on the breakout strategy. Whether you are going to get squeezed or whether you are going to get profits. All right, that's the only two things. Okay. So fake out means you are going to get bashed off, go home and sleep. If you are getting fake out, then you are getting, if it is a real breakout, right? So this level maximum it can drop is for the breakouts, right? For the breakouts. So below this level, it drops directly. If we stop thinking about the upper side, it drops. First level is this one for the confirmations. All right. First one confirmations on this one. Or if it happens to get low, it shouldn't be crossing this level from downside. If it crossed, then breakout is right. This trade is on or not. Urdu. Hi. Okay. For the confirmations, you need to wait. Okay, guys, you need to wait. Once it gets back, pull back, and try to get inside that one. That will be our confirmations for the longs. All right. But for now, this is a breakout or fake out. You don't know. All right. Don't know. So what I do is from this level, all right, I try to go with a small fund, 0.5%, 1%, right? Later on, if it gets confirmed, I might like to go with my normal fund, all right? If it gets breakout, faked out, then I lose small, all right? If it gets breakout, then I get big. So always risky, guys, always risky. The breakout is always risky. Okay, wait for the confirmation if you want to go for the confident trade, right? Nothing financial advice on, guys. Okay, nothing financial advice. So if it happens to take the liquidation from this level, if it happens to drop, then you're getting liquidations of the previous one. All right. Till over here, the recent liquidity is covered already. All right. So those who have long from the previous one, the investors, long holders are going to get squeezed. If it drops below. So below this one, we should stop thinking about the longs. Need to wait, guys. Need to wait. Need to wait. If you want to go for the confident trade, wait for the confirmation on the retest. Okay, that will be more convenient for the confidence. All right. But one thing, what Bitcoin did was, I was waiting for the this level of confirmations. All right, getting pulled back. Yesterday, Bitcoin happens to directly fall back without anything from where it is. Yeah, exactly this level. I was waiting for the pullback on this level. Okay, you see this one, guys, towards the downside. Okay, this level only. All right, and you see this one, opposite way on the upper side. You see this one. Yesterday, without any pullback, just gave a small retest on this level, boom down. So this happened without any getting pulled back on upper side. So why? This is why I'm going small font in this level. All right, in this level. Okay. Maybe it would love to give the pullback as well, but it may run without pullback as well sometimes. All right, see in this level. From the top, right, try to check this one. From the bottom, smooth, opposite way. Turn it to the opposite way and try to check it out. This one, this level, you check it, check it, check it. Right. This level, you check it. So I was waiting for the pullback on this level after getting small breakouts, but it never happened yesterday. Keep pushing it, keep pushing it. So only this level was given. Coming back and directly try to push up. I was waiting, waiting, waiting. It never came back. Let's see what it does, guys. We will see. You just go up without pullback. Yeah, could just go up without pullback also. Yes, correct. This is what I mean. Like like it did yesterday, right? I was waiting for the pullback to go for the shots, right? I was waiting for this level, at least trying to get inside this box and try to give a downside or upper side move, but never went back. Today we never knows what it will do. All right, let's see. Can be a big crash as well, huh, guys. That will depend on the New York sessions opening. Did it open, guys? Not yet, right? New York is not opening yet. New York session's not opened yet. All right, let's see. Maximum level for the pullback is this one. First retest is this one. Yesterday it came down directly in this level, guys. Yesterday it did only this one. Okay, today let's see if it gives us or not. Yesterday it broke out and tested this one and just went up, no pullback. Nothing financial advice now, guys. Okay, make your own research. Okay, I'm not here to give you all the financial advice. All right. Coming back. Nice, nice. Nice pullback. Okay, back for the pullbacks. Either a big bearish move. Yes, darling. How can I help you? Yes, sexy darling. How can I help you? Mm, 8:30 now. 1 hour. Okay. Coming back. Coming back. Not like yesterday. New York sessions. Where is it? New York sessions. New York sessions. New York. New York session started. All right. New York session started, guys. New York session started. New York session started lah. New York sessions, New York sessions. This is one level to get back and maximum till this level. Otherwise, no. So those who are waiting for confidence, you just wait in this level lah. This level. Get past, right? Above this level. Go for the longs. If you don't want to lose it, if you are ready to lose it, you can go from here. Hey guys, still over here. Let's see, guys. Those who are waiting for the confidence trade, you wait for the price to come out in upper side, okay? Then it will be confident. Right now, New York session has just started, all right? Might give you a big crash as well, all right? If you plan with a big fund from here, all right? And from here, stop thinking about the longs, all right? A little bit playing around right now, okay? People are bored watching my live stream now. I'm also hungry, guys. Okay, let's see what it does. New York session. Very big dump or a big pump. Why New York session is also not giving. Opening of New York sessions should be very big, right, guys? This says it's not happening. I have been observing from yesterday. There was a little bit continuation drop. That was good. It's going down. Okay, maybe that's possible, guys. Those who are waiting for the confident, once this get out of this one, then you can go for the longs, right? Nothing financial advice, guys. Okay, just make your own research before you move in or move out. All right. So if you are not able to observe it here, try to see if it is passing this level or not. Within this range, you can go. Break out or break out. That's all. Hi, Vijay, Madhuma. Hello, guys. Welcome everyone. I'm hungry. Good evening, Vijay. Good evening, brother. Tea is also. Your name, please. You can call me Dragon, Vijay. Dragon, Dragon from Bhutan. One fake move given again. Back out move. Market is not that easy, guys, right? Doesn't want to give you all the bucks that easily. Mhm. Check out. Mm. Everything is about risks, guys. Risks, risks, risks. Breakout candle. Yeah, it can give you a big pump or big dump. This level of candle. Careful. Big pump or big dump is coming with this candle. 5 minutes candle. Big pump or big dump. What do you think, guys? I didn't say it's breakout candle. Yeah. Actually, that should be a confirmation candle. Okay. Confirming the people buyers by this one. Okay. But if it gets picked out, people get bashed off. Usually, people try to enter with this candle, the last candle. Confirms, well and good. If it doesn't, then it bash for you all. So fake out, breakout strategy is always like this. If the breakout confirmation gets correct, then you will get a good profits. If you get bashed off, why is it not happening? It should be big pump, big dump if it's big out by then. Okay, big dump, a pump. Breakout candles coming in, loading, loading. This is the level whereby people gets in. So market is dumping this candle right now. Mhm. All right. Breakout, fake out, breakout, fake out. New York sessions, guys. No move at all. New York sessions never moved. This move. It's been 2 days, 2 days, 3 days together, 3 days. New York session is not giving anything. Big dump or pump coming in, guys. Either fake out, go home and sleep. If you get past, go home and sleep. Okay. One, TP2, TP3. Can be fake out candle as well. Hopefully up. Don't know, bro. Don't know yet. That can be a bullish as well as fake out candle. If it's not fake out candle, you're getting winning it. If you're fake out candle, you're losing it. Right. Just you know once it is done. All right. Sale structure it is providing right now. If you check on trend wise, the immediate one, double top, liquidate the double top, try to move up. We have lots of liquidations as we have mentioned. It's clear on the upper side, it's not clear on the downside. Nothing is there. All blank, guys. Get out of this one sideways. Go back 15 minutes. Guys, I'm just wondering these days. Market have changed a little bit. When it is faked out, it should be while in the normal days. When it is fake out or breakout, it usually happens to give a very big moves. Even if it gets faked out, try to swap the SL very, very fast. These days, breakout volatility is also not much over there. And even if it's fake out, it should be very quick on removing the SLs. It's not doing that one. Previously, it was so nice. When there's a breakout, boom, 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 on upper side. When it's breakout towards downside, boom, 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 boom. From here, that is on around 11th May 2026. From there, it changed a lot. 11th May, from 11th May, guys. Even there is a breakout, nothing much move. Even there is a breakout on upper side, downside both. Yesterday it was a breakout on downside, not very big move, small move. Slow, market has become very slow. What was it? Suddenly moved 78,200 to direct 80,000 without giving any entry. What was it? Suddenly moving. Example. Oh, you mean like swipe it all the way down? That's also possible, but the market have lost at its move, guys. The market. Previously, when we get faked out, we used to get our SL so fast. Boom. Now it's getting bored. Whenever there is a breakout as well, it moves very 0.5 फिर support का बाद upside होगा. Let's see. देखेगा क्या होगा. कुछ हिल रहा ही नहीं है, थोड़ा थोड़ा से हिल रहा है. This is really making me irritate sometimes when there is no move in the market. I don't feel like trading at all. Good move. If you are correct, it should be given very fast. If you are wrong, it should be given very fast. Suk, 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 suk. Even if you are wrong, so slow. That's all. Even if it is like on a target, is going very slow. 11th May, from that 11th May, it was this. Previously, the structures were so nice. Market is not able to move. La 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 la. What do you think, guys? Fake out or break out? Fake out, right? Right now it's faking out. Mm. Okay, now it's better. Moves are better. At least if it get moves gets better. That's nice. 78. 78,200. 78,900. Faked out, guys, right now. This immediate one is faked out. All right. Immediate move is faked out right now. Coming back to my levels. This can be one, or this can be one. After that, no more. Okay, down. Bias got squeezed with small fake out move. Was 82K top, you think, for the week? 82K. Was 82K top? No. We will see it after this move. All right, we are if it gets breakout on upper side, we are going up. If we get faked out and move on a downside, we are getting boom on a downside. All right. So after this move only, you will be able to know, is it going for the new high or is it dumping to the new low for the week? All right. This is one hope for Bitcoin to move up. All right. Let's see. Calls me this late. So if it gives a real breakout from here, maybe you might like to see a new high as well. All right. But if it gets backed out, you'll get towards the deeper low, guys. Okay. Deeper low can be expected. No move, guys. Yeah, it's moving. So if the Bitcoin happens to get below this one, okay, might get a reversal from here. Okay, this is the last hope that we have. But another chance is if it gets lower from here, that will be sideways as well. All right, that can be sideways. Okay, so if it happens to fall below this one, this blue line, all right. So let me mark this one as a green line. This is a buy zone for us. What happened to Bitcoin, guys? Not giving any move. La 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 la. Faking out over here, faking out over here. What Bitcoin is planning? Even if it was fake out, so many people would have already gone out of this trade, right, guys? Even if they have entered over here. Thinking there is a fake out, all the people are out now. All the people gets out of here. What market is planning, I also don't know. If it is a fake out move, it should be very fast. If it's a breakout move, it should be very fast usually. Right? people would have already came out of this trade, entering over here. La 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 la. Okay, now it's giving good move. That was proved fake out right now. Okay, the retest was faked out. All right. Once more, if it goes up, I'll enter into this level. All right. I'm done right now. All longs are got faked out in this retest zone right now. Okay. All longs got faked out. This is the only the last hope for Bitcoin to move up past the retest. Continuously drop down, no chance. Nicely picked out now. So, guys, now it didn't get back from this level. All right. The thing is, this is the last level that Bitcoin can go get up. Don't hold till that level, guys. All right. If you are in, all right. As soon as it breaks out from this level, you should be out. But one case, if it happens to gives a bob move and breaks out from this level, then I'm going to go for long again. All right, that's my plan. All right, but as long as it's not coming out, we are not doing anything in this level. All right. Chilly, chaya, 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 chaya. Boom. I miss my boom. Now I don't know. Sideways move. Last level touched. Subscribe to Harrier Trading. Okay. Okay, brother. Who is Harrier? Thank you, brother. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button, all right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. All right. This is the last level to get back for the Bitcoin to move up. Otherwise, if it falls below this trend, again, that will take time. It will be sideways. I need to get out of that one. All right. Gold, gold, brother. Gold is getting squeezed, brother. It's trying to remove SL for the long as well short. All right. For gold, you wait for this one move or the upper side move. So you can plan shots. You see the gold getting squeezed, forming a triangle. All right. So it's not able to decide which side it should move. So most of the longs and short will be removed in this level. Okay. You can't do anything over here inside this box. Most probably you might like to expect price slowly, okay? Very 50% chances, 55% going to $4,739 is one of the chances for the gold. So that will be move of the 1.27 percentage, but that's not 100% confirmed. All right. See the price getting squeezed, forming inside the triangle. Okay, for the gold. So it's 9,400. Okay, getting back. It's the last move we should expect. All right, lovely. Super. Boom. We require. Boom. We require. Boom. Come on. Come on. Boom. 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 Come on, BT. Shitty. Gold is getting squeezed. BT, 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 BT. BT, BT, Don't want to get squeezed at triple top. You squeeze. Lovely. Move it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Hey, BT, give us a boom. Move 0.57. It didn't get the liquidation, so it's not moving very fast. Okay, guys. Didn't get the liquidation from the down. Right. Lovely. Superb. Swap candle. Lovely. Okay, lovely. Now I move my SL in the zone. 79,456. Up, up. Lovely. Seventy-nine thousand four hundred five. Okay. My TP 81,898 final. One is two. Up. I then yes, yes. Let's push it up, push it up, push it up, push it, push it. Lovely. Come on, push it up. Super. 0.91 percentage moved. So I told you guys, okay, in the beginning of before we start the setup or in the mid, right? So starting along from the downside will be a little bit risky, but if it happens to pass up, that will is going to be uh, not a good entry. In fact, okay, not a good entry. But if it happens to break out on upper side, you will be getting from this level as well as the breakout levels, all right, which is advantage. If you get on a downside, you are getting a stop loss, right? So that is a little bit risky on a breakout strategy. So, but when it gets correct, uh, when your breakouts gets confirmed, right? So when it gets moves, it's going to give you all the extra moves, right? That's the thing. But not a advice. It's not a financial advice. This is for the education purpose only, okay, guys? Education purpose only. But when you get correct, you will get it. When you get when the breakout gets fake out, then you will get bashed off. Finally, after a long day, we can see a very good candles on the green. Candles over here, you see over here, here. You see candle formations. Candles, see, you see the candles, guys. Candles. You see candles. Damn boring candles. You see small breaking candles, which I don't like at all. Over here, till over here, it was okay. Till 10th, 11th, it was okay. The candle formations were okay. Downside as well as on upper side. Okay. From there, it went all boring. Whole damn boring, guys. Damn boring. See the candle formations. So only in this kind of move, even for the it's for long as well as short, you can make good money. Usually for me, okay. On those small candle formation, I get bored and I try to get out of the trade early sometimes. Okay, so it keeps hitting your entry again and again. Okay, small candles, not good move, not trying to pass positions in a short time. Okay, after a long time, you see some good candles formations. One, two candles are formed. Good one. If you especially check on 5 minutes, you will get it over there. I got TP1. Where do you put SL now? If your TP1 is done, then you might like to, after booking your TP1, after getting passed through this one, usually I try to keep my SL over here in the entry. Okay. But if you want to be less risk-free after booking profit, because that TP1 won't go into West, you try to move your move your SL to the entry, right? Exactly at entry. That will be a good one. Okay, that will be good one. Because you are risk free, because like what you have already booked TP1, even your SL at entry hits, no problem. But since entry, if you are talking about like a SL, all right, after passing this is the resistance you have. Okay, after passing this resistance, all right, right now you might like get reject also after passing this resistance. Okay, so people usually take scalping from this level to this level as well. This is resistance right now. As soon as they pass it, all right, confirms it, okay, they take the scalping from here to this level, right? So after passing this, I keep my SL at entry. But you have booked your TP1, well and good. All right, that's how you make some dollars. Keep even if it's a $1, $5, $20, $500, 600, $1,000, whatever. So on the breakout, when you are trading on breakout strategy, you should keep booking the profits. All right, TP1. All right, so that anytime the price can, after the breakouts, all right, anytime it would love to come for the retest or come drop you all the down also. But usually on the 5 minutes time frame, it should be clearing off a little bit on the upper side. Let's see. Book TP1, move your SL to entry. Okay, so get out of the trade immediately. All right, small book the profits and get out of the trade. That's fine. My SL is right now in this levels, right? That is, if you have entered from here, that is 0.42 percentage. Not bad, guys. That's not very bad. All right, quantum movie. One, if it is pass above this level, one entry can be found in this levels as well. 0.7 percentage move. All right, on the upper side. From here, nothing financial advisor, guys, make your own research to this level. All right, but for now, it needs to clear off on the upper side. Only small move given on 5 minutes time frame right now. So let's get back to the business, right? Coming back, so while coming back, you shouldn't go below this levels. In fact, this level might like to create small trend in this level as well. Okay, small trend. But overall, if you are holding for the longs, so whenever it is possible, like so when you are holding for the long period, okay, that's for holding for the long period. It moves up, moves down. All right, something like this. Later on, wherever you see these levels hitting, you need to get exit if you're holding for the longs. Okay, only for the longs. This is for the long time period, I mean. Okay, for now, if you're holders, for me, okay, especially because it doesn't mean that the price is moving down, but it will take time to come up again on that trend. All right, this is what I do. Okay, for now it's safe. All right, but if it happens to come below this one, okay, and we just pass, then it's going to take time. All right, as long as you are above this green block right now, it's fine. For the scalpers, if it makes one trend over here, I will let you know. Okay, if it doesn't make any trend, I don't know. If it happens to make a trend over here, like this, all right, so I'll be tracing this one. All right, so whenever it gets below this trend, I'll get out of the trade. Okay, it doesn't mean that it's not moving on upper side. It means that it will take time again, retesting again, trying to move up and down, so that it will take time. So I don't like holding very long. Okay, this is what I do. I get out of the trade and stay away. Right now, it's not making exactly. It is about to make one trend over here. Let's see what it does. Especially this will be helpful for the scalpers. So whereby they don't know where to hold it, right? So till when to hold it, right? If they don't know how, where is their TPs, right? Even if they are holding for TPs, like I don't have that much patience in the market to hold very long, right? So whenever it tries to break out from the trend, the immediate trend it makes, right? I try to get out, especially after breaking out is not problem. Okay, on third level you might see there is a breakout, tries to break out this one. Okay, breaking out is not problem. All right, but if it is happens to clear out, retest that one, break out, and clears out that one, immediately I get out the trade, right? Immediately I try to get out of the trade. And till over here, retest, it's okay because this doesn't mean that the price is moving down, okay? But it means, oh, again, if it goes back to the trend, that will be still continuing the trend, right? So no problem, all right. But in case if the price happens to break out from the trend and if it tries to do the retest and try to break out from that one, all right, I need to get out that trade immediately. Okay? This is what I mean. All right, guys. Let me delete all those things, rubbish things. People scold me again. Oh, your charts are so messy, right? Your charts are so messy. The drawings are so messy, right? But that is going to help you all right? Anyways, let's see what it will do. Maybe it will continue till the upper levels, right? Maybe it will try to break out on the downside, get lost, all right? So let it make one trend, all right, on this level. Maybe right, try to make the trend. After that trend gets break out, okay, and pass the retest, I will immediately close that one. This trade, okay? So it is taking time. Maybe that will become very fast, or it may take time. All right, it's on 1 minute time frame right now. Hi, hi, hello, Josh. All right. So that's all, guys, for today. Let's see. We'll come back tomorrow. I'll be holding this, right? Okay. For now, we'll see if it is giving you all the targets or it's getting back to the sideways zone again. All right. So let's see that one. Small profit is booked for me right now. Okay. My SL in the zone. Okay. So I have a good luck, guys. Always manage your risks well. All right. Nothing much to worry, luck, guys. Okay. Just be patient. Hold, have patience. All right. I need to go now because I have another session. Also, I have to go for dinners and lots of things. All right. So not to, if you don't want to miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, all right, keep subscribing it, my channel, analysis channel by Dragon. All right. So we'll see you tomorrow again. Okay. Try to do some analysis, try to understand the market. All right. Till over here, the market was too boring. So from here, it is a little bit. Now it's gaining a little bit volatility as well, which is very good for the Bitcoin. All right. Otherwise, it was getting too messy. The candles formations were either that is on downside or on a upper side. Yeah. So just be careful, guys. Have patience. Have a good time trading. Don't overtrade if you're losing it. All right. So if you're winning it, just book the profits and close the trade, right? And don't overtrade, guys. Don't go for the big size. All right. So this is a thing. Okay, my final for this one, my TP1, TP2, my final TP over here. So if it happens to pass above, it might like to give you all the very big move on upper side as well. All right, just be patient and keep booking the profits. Okay, because it is right now, it is exactly hitting the number about to hit. All right, so so let's see whether this Bitcoin is able to break above this string trend or not. If it breaks that one, you will see a good new high, ATH